What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, today we had a lot of interesting stuff to go over today in the price action. I wanted to talk about several different coins, including Electroneum, Filecoin, and of course Bitcoin. Guys, definitely a lot of moves happening right now. Definitely some very clear patterns, which have just actually broken out, guys. I hope you guys are already riding those indication plays. And for those of you who don't know me, I'm a professional leverage trader and instructor with a student body of over 140 people and about 50 active right now. My gosh, guys, it's just incredible with the whole student body in profit. Guys, it does not get any better than that. If you're looking to discover financial freedom, head right over to the website straight away and get signed up. Links are below. And guys, if you're not a student, you're not a member, and you still want a little bit of extra additive edge on the trading field, you must follow me on my socials. For instance, I put right here red laser eyes on September 20th. Guys, you go to the price action on Bitcoin, you look up the 20th right here. Guys, look at this. Pummeling right down, guys. I want to give you guys every little bit of additive edge so you guys can make the gains that you guys deserve on your favorite exchange. And guys, we don't have any time left to waste. If you're not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. And guys, I'm going to dive right into the price action. And for those of you who are looking for specific coin requests, guys, you have to be at least a tier 1 member as of now. Soon this will be bumped up to a tier 2 privilege, but for my first 10, 20 members, I would like to do this for you guys just to give back a little bit. And basically, if you become a member, you can request a coin request, and I'll do that once a month for you in a segment on your favorite coin. Okay, guys, let's start with Electroneum. Now, it's been a few days since I've actually been looking at this. I've actually just been extremely busy, so let me just clean this up and let's just talk about what's going on right now. But guys, we had very clear indication plays right here, letting you guys know the price was breaking down imminently, and guys, what a massive move right out of it. Let's just extend this wedge, and you can clearly see how far this played out. Brief moments of overbought and oversold territory, but in general, guys, the channel and descending wedge, the chain remained very true, and another one beginning right out of it, guys. Notice the major support that we had here, previous resistance acting as a support right now. I mean, look at all these bounces right here, guys. This is just easy stuff. This coin is actually getting some really good developments over the last 6 months, guys. That's why I've been so bullish on it, buying these retracements, buying the dips, and telling you guys to buy even after a big blow off, guys. I understood the mini accumulation phase board wide, guys, and to be honest, the profits are just a replicant of that. If you're not making the gains you deserve, join the student program, learn how to trade. Okay, guys, but this is exactly what we're working with right now. So, for instance, we could have a little chain situation going on right here. Let me just draw you what we're looking at. And again, we are in the hourly. For instance, guys, you can break this down further, go to the smaller time frame. So I'm just going to do this to save some time. Nice little chains within. Okay, now a lot of students were asking me, hey, can we actually just play this as a double bottom? Of course, guys, this could end up being a double bottom very quickly. We break the major resistance right here, which is being held right now by the estimated moving averages in simplicity, as well as many forms of other static resistances as well. But we do break that, guys. You can expect a move, especially maybe even a continuation. Could at least touch up to around 0.023 again, okay, guys? But minimally, say like we break out of this target, guys, take the target measurements. So for instance, just measure from the back here, okay? We're going to make that a nice green, okay, breaking up to the top side. And guys, you can see these targets get hit really easily. Look at that, to the T, okay? Understanding the patterns and involving the indication plays into patterns make these trades and target projections a reality quite simply, guys. So for instance, let's just draw a projection right here. So we could be getting another little ascending wedge here, and I'm going to make that nice and yellow matching here. Now, I know it looks a little jumbled up, guys. A couple of my students are like, oh, you got to do the colors better. And I'm like, yeah. Guys, I'm just so busy. I'm just trying to keep up with all the stuff I got. And by the way, I got another partnership. I mean, my gosh, guys, the sky is the limit for me and my organization at this point. I really do believe anybody we even touch or influence, it changes their lives. Looking at the technicals at this point, there's not a doubt in my mind. With such good favor and 100% success rate, this self-fulfilling prophecy is just getting started. So guys, that's exactly what we're looking at for Electroneum. And remember, when in doubt, zoom out. So just go to the daily. Let's just see what we're working with here, guys. And like I said right here, this was your ultimate time to buy here as we retested the last line of defense, guys. Amazing times. I bought all this, I bought all this, and guys, we are looking pretty bullish here. As long as we can hold the 55, that's a very good sign. But let's just hopefully hold the resistance right here and start to get a bounce, retest this higher point. And guys, I think it's going to coincide right with the bull market continuation movement here. Okay, remember, we are in a super cycle. What that means is an elongated bull cycle. Okay, it's going to take a little bit longer. Guys, I'm anticipating like next June for a peak. Okay, be patient. Make sure you're accumulating your bags at major supports. pattern buys. You know, there's so many opportunities here, guys. Maximize your profit potential. That's exactly what I'm looking at with Electroneum. But in simplicity, guys, watch for the breaking of the major resistance or support, even on just the patterns here, and then play it if it breaks here. So play a short. If it breaks the resistance, guys, look for a nice little long. Just epic times with Electroneum, guys. Let's jump over to Filecoin, a really, really impressive project. And I actually just had somebody reach out to me about Filecoin, so I felt like it was due justice to actually do a little bit of a review here. But guys, I don't have anything drawn up, but let's just keep it simple for a second, okay? Let's go up to the 1 hour, okay? Now, remember, the 20th, you saw my polar flip. I mean, guys, it was board wide. Just about every single coin dumping, okay? There's a reason I teach my course on Bitcoin and Ethereum. They lead the pack quite simply, okay, guys? A lot of the coins have their own developments. Yes, guys, every coin is individual. Yes. But, guys, until something surpasses Bitcoin or Ethereum in some way, they are leading the game. Their movements are extremely replicant of the rest of the cryptocurrency space. It's something you guys must factor in. So we could be getting, for instance, that double bottom we just spoke of, an ascending wedge breakout. Yes, you guys get the idea. There's so many ways to look at this. Let me just give you guys a couple examples, okay? For instance, we had the descending wedge. We just had the indication play right there. Let me just draw that out. So, for instance, just like this, okay? You can clearly see the indication play right out of it, right there, okay? Even the 7 and the 20, nice little cross. But notice, the stotch is unloaded, meaning we're probably going to break down here. So I'm expecting actually a retest right around here, guys. That's exactly what I'm looking for, okay? So what I'm expecting is that to roll down, and if it doesn't, just expect the retest of the 100 and then play it to at least there, okay? But watch for another pattern to form out. This one's kind of already breaking out, and for instance, if it was a double bottom, okay, just something like this, okay, the resistance was already broken. This doesn't have much further to go. It'll probably only ride to the 100. That's the point and relevance there, guys. Make this trade a reality if you already haven't. Ride it to at least there. If not, play it back to the support, guys. You can trade basically any time at this point. I actually have an test account where I do ridiculous trades and just try to get out of them. And guys, I still have a 96% win rate on that. Actually, wait, it's a little lower. It's like 93 and change. But on my good accounts, easily 96 and above with a litany of trades. Okay, guys? Understand, if you just understand how to do everything, you can protect yourself in any situation, especially if you have decent bag. Okay? There's so many strategies here. Understand you have pattern buys, you have indication buys, and then you have breakout buys. Okay, guys? And in simplicity, you want to look for the breakouts, you want to look for the indications, and then the patterns are a little bit harder, but we'll have the most extrapolated gains, quite simply. That's exactly what I'm looking at for Filecoin. And guys, remember, just zoom out here. We have a bit of work to do here. The EMAs are really tight right here, guys. That means we're kind of moving sideways. A move will be coming, but on a good note, look at the daily. The stotch is loaded. That's a very bullish sign, guys. We got some bullish favor here. Just hold your bags tight. Get ready for these movements coming up, okay? Let's talk about Bitcoin real quick. Okay, so on the daily, you know, we are below. We're still below the 100. We kind of bounced right off it. You go down to the smaller time frames, at least the 1 hour, the biggest time frame on the higher time, or the smallest time frame on the bigger time frames. We literally got that bounce right off the 100, guys. That's actually really nice. When you get a bounce like that, playing off EMAs with such clarity, I mean, it makes what we're learning about easy. Okay, clearly an indication play there. You know, I put the laser eyes right there. Guys, this is easy money. I can't express it enough. I have so many people I know working 2 jobs. Guys, you don't need to do this. You can easily trade with 1 job, extrapolate your wealth, have more time with your family. I mean, why would you not want that? Why would you not want that? Amazing times, okay? We're in the infancy stage of a currency. You could even dollar cost average into cryptocurrency at retracements, and you'll make $1 million bucks, even if you're just investing $1,000 over the course of 10 years, every month. I really believe you can do it. Guys, when we hit top logarithmic band, massive cash outs board wide, massive plummet, rebuy the dip. Guys, we're going to be able to do this 4 more times in our lifetime. Do not make the mistake of missing out on these gains. Bitcoin will have some amazing times coming our way, and it's trades like this that'll make it a reality for us. Let me just show you exactly what I'm working with here. I'm going to call that a brief moment of overbought territory. Excuse me, oversold territory, excuse me. And in essence, we're looking for this breakdown. So remember, this is an ascending, tightening wedge. Even when they tighten up and actually tighten, it's not a triangle. Okay, guys, it's not a triangle. There can only be horizontal, ascending, and descending. Those would have either clear points of resistance and or clear points of support. Okay, so when measuring this, okay, use the wedge theory from the back. to wherever the point of breakout is. And guys, like I said, the stock is unloaded now. We could end up breaking down very easily. I'm easily looking for a target projection around $40,000, especially if the volume comes in here. Now notice the volume decreasing. That means the move is imminent, guys. Get your bags ready. This one's about to happen. And that's exactly what I'm looking at in the Bitcoin price. And in simplicity, we break the support right here, look for a short. We break the resistance, look for a long, and ride it minimally up to the freaking 200. I mean, guys, this is easy money either way. You can't lose this one, okay? Play the indication. And guys, if you're not sure what indication to use the stock. Cross the road, play the Bollinger Bands, use barbell theory. Guys, this is easy, easy stuff. And guys, that's really all the time I have for today. That's how I'm going to be playing my trades over the next, few hours here. Definitely some really amazing times. And guys, I've had partnership after partnership reaching out to me, looking to partner with me. I mean, I'm honest to God, I'm getting so many emails. It's incredible. Mitch is overwhelmed. Guys, do me a favor. If you're looking to join the student program, show Mitch some mercy. Don't send him 20 emails. He can't respond to all that, okay? Send him one confirmation. If you got questions, you're already in Zion, put him in questions for class. Try to, let Mitch do his thing. Remember, he's just a buddy helping out in the early stages of our program. And guys, I just want you to understand, we're a small team. I'm basically the whole show, essentially. And, definitely some people helping out. But, guys, as we grow, we are way beyond, where we should be without a team, so to speak. And I actually believe I might have the most partnerships online right now, borderlining 10 right here, as soon as I accept this next one. So, guys, I mean, that's just incredible. I mean, I'm working from, wake to sleep, if not doing partnerships or YouTube or influencing in many different ways. I'm my gosh, working with students as well. I mean, guys, it doesn't end. And then the trade field is something I'm always watching. I have screens all over around me just so I can make a trade no matter what, guys. And that's the beauty of this. When you learn to see the trade field for what it is, the glitches in the matrix, so to speak, guys, you can make money anytime you want, guys. It's such a beautiful thing. I feel like the knowledge that we're giving is beyond even celebrity. I mean, celebrities don't give back. I mean, I guess they do with, donations and stuff. But guys, let's be real, they're eye candy. What we're giving back is knowledge that you can bring home to your families and change your life, guys. It just does not get any better than that. So, guys, all I got to say is if you're not making the gains you deserve, head right over to the student program, get signed up. This is something that will change your life. And until we don't have a 100% success rate, I'm going to be shilling it like this, so to speak. Guys, it is that good. And the message today is obviously the same. If you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.